Greetings from Nova Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2017 Ford F450 XLT tow truck with 111,000 miles. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, loaded up inside. It's got navigation and everything. Really nice. 111,000 miles for a 17. Really nice tow truck. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel, show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice. Okay, we're looking at the front bumpers in great condition. Looks brand new. Very nice shape. Beautiful condition. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. This grille has a crack in it right here, as you can see there. It's got a crack right there. Besides that, the grille's in nice shape. The other headlamps in beautiful condition. Very nice. Front fender on the driver's side, very nice shape. This piece has a little bit of defects right there. Besides that, looks good. Also, it has a piece for a 550, but it is a 450 and it's an XLT. 6.7 liter power diesel. Doors in great condition, very nice. It's got a little blemish here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the unit in the back. Very nice, good condition. It's got a couple little scuff marks here and there, nothing major. Looks really nice overall. Walk around the back. Lights look good. Got a big dent right there. Besides that, looks good. It's got a small little scratch right here. Looks good overall. Very nice condition. All the lights are good. Also some wear and tear here around the box here. Looks good overall. This piece on top looks good. Lights are in good condition. Very nice. We'll go ahead and test out this unit in a moment. Looks good. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the passenger side door. Passenger side door looks good. Very nice condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. It's got the steps on both sides. It's a 450. It does have some chips here around the door here. 450 XLT. Really nice condition. All right, take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Okay, that's concluding our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel for the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at the controls. Really outstanding shape. It's got a pocket down there for storage. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Take a look at the rubber floors. Great condition. Very nice. Seats are in great shape. They are cloth. They're in nice shape. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new. We'll take a closer look at that in a moment. Very nice condition. Okay, now we're taking a look at the passenger door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Super clean. Look at the armrest on there. Very nice condition. Storage pocket on the bottom and right there in the center. Seats in great shape. Very nice condition overall. Cloth interior. Rubber floors are in great shape. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the liner on top. Liner's in good condition. Really great shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2017 Ford F450. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in nice shape for a tow truck. Okay, so this one's really nice. This one comes with 2 keys. And these keys actually have remote start right here in the middle. So that's a really nice feature. So let's go ahead and start the truck up with the key. And then we'll insert it into the dash. So we're going to go ahead and press the lock button twice. And then press this twice. There you go. Start it up right away. Look at that. So now all we got to do is insert the key. Truck's already running. So now we're going to insert the key. Turn it. There you go. All set. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on this one, but let's look at the mileage first. Here we go. Mileage, 111,979. Really nice. It's got a really nice information center there for trip Really nice. Okay, let's take a look at some of the features on this one. This one has the slide in, slide out mirrors. They slide in and out in case you have like a boat or something you're towing. You can slide those out and slide them back in. They work on both sides. See there? That's a really nice feature. Because you're towing something that's really wide. Okay. So then it's got the fold-in mirrors. They fold in, both sides fold in. Let's go ahead and check a look at the other one. Hold it back out. Then they have, you can see there, it's got a little heated mirror sign on each one of the mirrors. So let's fold it out again. Super nice. Now let's test out the mirrors on each side. Side to side, up and down. Beautiful. The other side, here we go. Up and down, side to side. Fantastic. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out the windows. Driver's side window, fine. Goes up and down, perfect. Passenger side window. Up and down, perfect. Okay, so we have controls here on the steering wheel for the information center, cruise control. I believe this one has Bluetooth. For the volume controls for the radio. Tow haul button right there. It's for the wipers. Controls for the lights. That's the controls for the mirrors. It's got a really nice radio. This is the XLT. It's got the upgraded system, so this one has navigation on it, which is super cool. So you go back to home. Right now we have it on a nav screen. You can see there, it's got other apps you can select. Your Bluetooth connection there. You can set up your phone there. Go back to audio, all your stations. Very cool. Phone settings, navigation, apps, and then all the settings. So this is really a nice loaded up truck. Very nice. So it has also media, which down here has 2 USBs here, and it's got a power plug there. Super cool. Over here has another power plug and 110 if you want to plug your laptop or something in there. For the tow controller here. Here's the controller for the unit in the back. It's a little worn out, but everything works perfect on it. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Everything's in really nice shape inside. The truck looks super nice. Up above here, it's got switches for accessories on top. You're looking at the courtesy lights and stuff. Very nice. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. Already have it in gear. Here we go. Good pickup, really smooth. Transmission shifting perfect. Feels really good. Okay, checking the brakes here. Got a light here. Stops perfect, feels good. Feels really smooth. Drives really good. Brakes feel good. Good acceleration. Alright, well that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at those tires. Check out the tow equipment in the back. And test out the unit. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test out the unit. Here's the controller. The controller's in great shape. It's got a little bit of wear and tear here and there, but that's about it. So let's go ahead and lower the unit. There you go. Goes all the way down. You could extend it. Extend it out. There you go. Close them up again. Perfect. Bring it back in. It goes back up. There you go. Works perfect. Okay, there you go. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. You can see there, very nice condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tires in good condition. Looks really nice. Got those really nice rims on it. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tires. On the driver's side, tires are in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tires on the passenger side. Tires are in good condition. Look at that. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really outstanding condition on that rim. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tires in really nice shape. Really outstanding condition. Looks good. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2017 Ford F450 tow truck. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really in outstanding shape. Super clean, 111,000 miles. Beautiful condition. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.